Well, hello there, I'm Jordi from Jordinger and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making Dutch pea soup and it is pea with P-E-A and not with P-E-E, so you know. But anyhow, someone in the comments asked me to make some Dutch recipes and possibly improve it. So here's my take on pea soup, but it's actually my mother's take on pea soup, so shout out to my mom. And yeah, let's start. For this soup we are using dried split peas. Because they're split in half, they cook much faster than whole peas, which is actually what we want for a thick, creamy soup. Rinse the peas really well, just like you would with rice. Keep rinsing until the water runs clear. Now add plenty of water. The peas will absorb a lot, so don't be shy here. Add some salt and bring everything to a boil. We're also cooking pork for that deep, rich flavor. I'm using a pork shoulder chop. You can also use a pork knuckle, they're just harder to find these days. Rinse the meat, place it in the pot with fresh water, salt, bay leaves and black pepper. Bring it to a boil and skim off the foam that rises to the top. Do the same for the peas. Once the pork has had a good boil, add 2 stock cubes. If you have homemade stock, even better. Let the peas simmer for 1 to 2 hours until they're soft and starting to turn mushy. This soup takes time, so patience is part of the recipe. While that's happening, let's prep the vegetables. I'm using celeriac, carrots, onion and leek. Cut the celeriac in half, peel off the tough skin and dice it into bite-sized pieces. You don't want giant chunks. This is soup, not vegetables swimming in broth. Chop the carrots and onion the same way. And of course, mom will be mom's. Mine couldn't resist giving instructions and ruining the shot. Love you, mom. Rinse the leek really well to remove any sand, then add it to the rest of the vegetables. Now look at those peas, soft, thick and they absorbed most of the liquid. Take the pork out, remove the large pieces of fat and shred the meat. It's basically pulled pork at this point. Add the meat back to the peas, along with the flavorful stock the pork cooked in. Then add all the chopped vegetables. This is what I call filled to the brim. And now the pièce de résistance, smoked sausage. Rookworst as we call it here in the Netherlands. Slice it into bite-sized pieces and stir it into the soup. That smoky flavor is what makes this dish unforgettable. Let everything simmer together until the vegetables are tender and the soup is thick and hearty. Serve it the traditional Dutch way with rye bread on the side and finish with some fresh parsley on top. You just made authentic Dutch pea soup. And that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Let me know down in the comments what recipe you want to see next. Hit the like and the subscribe button if you like this video and you want to see future videos of me. And of course, I see you in the next one.